Hi everybody, it's Brit. Welcome to another Around the Year tutorial. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make some DIY Mother's Day cards. And although they just take about 10 minutes to make, the result is stunning. You will need card in your mom's favorite color, textured writing paper, ink pads. I'm using a black ink pad, fancy edge scissors, plain scissors, a pen, and sentiment stamps. Let's get started. First of all, we'll cut the textured writing paper in half. Fold it in half. And now we're going to trim the edges with the fancy edge scissors. Once all the edges are trimmed, here comes the main part, decorating the card. To do that, we'll take a piece of card and cut out a rectangle slightly smaller than this, so when we put it on here, there is still a nice border left. Now, to make this card more interesting, we're going to trim off a triangle at the bottom of the pink. And once again, we're going to trim this edge with the fancy edge scissors. Now we'll apply some glue on the back side of the pink piece of card and then glue it on the textured paper, taking care to line up the borders even, like this. Now choose a stamp. I'm using the butterfly, and stamp it in the center of the card. Then take one of your border stamps and stamp a row of borders along here. Finally, I'm going to put a message into the bottom corner of my card. That's it. Our DIY Mother's Day cards are finished. I hope you have fun. And see you in the next video. Bye bye!